Okay, so today is the last module for the week, and this is going to be your SCR final draft. So your objective is that students will be able to write a short constructive response, creating historical argument, citing textual evidence, and analyzing historical context. And the essential question is the exact same it has been all week. Why would formerly colonized nations want to resist the control of European nations? So you're due now. You are going to answer questions 1 and 2, but this stop sign is here because if you have not done modules 1 and 2 yet, you are not going to be able to do module 3, and there's no point. Okay, so that stop is that if you have not done 1 and 2, you need to go back and do 1 and 2. If you have done those, what you're going to do is go back to module 2 and review your SCR outline. And you're going to say, what part of the outline did you find easiest? So, which part of this outline here did you find easiest? Did you think the claim was the easiest, the evidence, analysis, source analysis, or the context or thesis statements? So you're going to answer those questions, and then you're going to say which one did you find the most challenging and answer that. When you are done answering those, you're now going to move straight into independent practice. So if you have, there are two options here. If you have not completed week 7, sorry. If you have not completed week 7 modules 1 and 2, you need to do that ASAP, right? That's going to be your job today. And you're not don't even worry about module 3. You need to do 1 and 2 first. And then if you have time, go to module 3, okay? So start with module 1, turn in, and then complete module 2 and turn in. Or if you have done both of those, okay, then you are all set to actually write the SCR. So what you're going to do is just take the parts from your outline, so right here, and you are going to either rewrite, or if you really want to copy and paste, just make sure if you're copying and pasting, you're doing it in the right order. And then you're going to write your final SCR draft here. So you're going to have your 2 paragraphs, which are listed in your outline, right? One, the first paragraph here, second paragraph here. And for the introduction, if you just want to add it to the first paragraph, that's fine. Or if you want to make it its own, it's fine too. This is a choose your own adventure for that one. So you're just going to retype it here in this spot. Then you're going to use your writer's checklist. This is the same as yesterday, but now that it's rewritten here, I want you to read this one and make sure that you can check all this off. This is your mastery check for the day. And then you're going to turn it in. There is no Edulastic Mastery Check quiz. You're just going to make sure you have all parts of the lessons for this week done, and you are in good shape.